Okay, 3S. And we have the gyro turned all the way up because I think we need it on 3 cell. And as I said, very hard to put 3S in there. I actually used the 3S LiPo that was supplied to me from MJX when they released that 10 scale truck that ran on 3S and 4S. So the 3S they sent me was a soft case, which fits in here quite well. But the trying to get a hard case to fit is nearly impossible unless it's the same size as a 2S battery. Got a lot of power. Woo! This thing is fast. This is just a point and squirt type of car. Can't really do too much else. It just spins out even with the gyro. Gyro's not going to do much if the front wheels aren't on the ground. Pretty crazy. Alright, let's see if we can do some jumping. I don't know how this is going to go, but I don't foresee good things. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Doesn't take much to get a lot of air on 3 cell. The hardest part is still keeping it in a straight line. See if we can get a nice big jump here. Able to control a little bit in the air. Let's see if this guy wants to run his bike, we'll get out of his way. Stay upright? No, have to go get it. There's probably enough inertia on these rear wheels alone to do a backflip. Maybe we could try it. Maybe we could try it. It's kicking up well enough off the jump. Let's do it. Yeah, perfect. Try it again. Only just. All right, let's go. Big jump. Didn't quite commit well enough to that backflip. Oh! Went a bit too far then. Oh, there it is. It's back. I don't think I've ever done that. It's coming. It's around somewhere. There it is. We've got to commit to that backflip. This thing's awesome. Front flip on that one. Front flip on the Vorteks 2-wheel drive. Time to go big or go home. Let's do Superman jumps with a two-wheel drive. Oh. All right, let's go again. Nice. Oh, battery ejecto. Let's go again. Try and get a nice smooth one in. Whoop. Did the gyro go off? I have a feeling the gyro's gone off. Something's not right. Let me have a look. Oh, gyro is working. I think it's just bad driving. That's all it comes down to. Here we go. All right, missed that one a little bit. Kinda sort of landed. This thing can take a hit, I tell ya. Smooth. We're gonna leave it there. We're gonna leave it there. I wanted one smooth one to finish it off, and we got it. So I'm happy. All right, there we go. Vorteks on 3S. Takes on all three jump sizes, survives, and he's ready to fight again. That's it from me. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.